If you like the Toyota Highlander, today's your day. Hey guys, going to keep making more videos again. Today guys, we're going to be installing trim pieces on the base Toyota Highlander to give it a more upgraded trim look. So without further ado, let's get to it. There we have it. We have the Highlander front and center into garage. Today's Highlander day. And if we go to the back right here, we know that this is the LE model. Now in the LE model, guys, we all know that the trim pieces on here, they're not that flashy, okay? Obviously, they keep it for the higher trim packages, of course. You know, you have some silver right here. You have some nice accents right here. Silver right there. And you know, silver on the door right here. However, a while back in another video, you guys remember this video right here, I did install this trim right here and on the other side, and as well on the all four doors right here, 1 and 2 right here. And to be honest, just that little trim piece gives it such a nicer look to the vehicle. And so I decided, you know what, heck, why not? Let's just buy everything else they had to offer for the Highlander. Let's stick it on the Highlander and see how it looks. So all of this stuff that's all black right here, all this right here black, that huge center part right here that's black is going to be silver, and kind of match all of this right here and give it more of a brighter look, if you want to call it that. We have all the goodies in the back right here. We have a huge assortment of pieces that we're going to be installing. Of course, guys, you already know me, this is plug and play. Don't screw anything in or anything like that. These pieces right here will make the Highlander look a lot better without being too flashy. So we have a huge piece right here for the center. We have some vents right here. We have some button accents right here. We have some door accents right here. We have some more vent accents right here. Glove box handles right there, and then also some trim pieces for the actual steering wheel of the vehicle. All the links, I'm gonna link it in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. All these products are held down by double-sided tape. You can see the red right here. Everything should fit perfectly. I've already cleaned all the interior parts. Let's start installing the first guy. So the first trim piece I'm going to do slow and steady, show you how it actually works, and it's going to be this one right here, because it's right here ready to go. And you can see this black part right here, and we're going to basically make this silver. We obviously have 2 of them, one for the other side. So let's actually install this bad boy. Of course, make sure everything is clean on here. Use some kind of microfiber towel, whatever you want to do, make sure it's clean. And I'm just gonna try to fit it on right here. Wow, look at that. Already, just, you know, see, it's plain black, boring, and then all of a sudden, really nice silver trim piece that's gonna match, you know, all these OEM trim pieces right here. In a subtle way, that's the key. Let's take the white strip off right here. Take the second one off, and then let's just, you know, stick it on. There we go, and give it some pressure. Apply pressure right where the sticky tape is, which is right here and right here as well. Keep applying pressure. Make sure it's on there really tight, as you can see. And there you have it. There you go. Look at that. It's already on there. It's not coming off. And now let's step back real fast. And look at that. Already just looks so much better. It's a subtle hint, not too flashy. And you kind of see how it matches with everything right there. And you can see the other side is just plain. There we have it, guys. Now that we're done with that side, let's start this montage and start installing the rest of them. Alrighty guys, you finally saw me install the last piece right there. Now let's take a look around and see how this looks. In my opinion guys, this looks so much better. There's so much more contrast going on. It's not just super dark. The steering wheel looks so much better. It almost looks like I did nothing to it and it came from the factory like this. This is how it's supposed to look guys. Remember before how it looked all dark and extremely dingy? Now it has so much more contrast with the little details right there, details right there, detail right there, the door handle, the nice little vent right there. It looks so much better guys. And then on top of that, obviously in the back right here, these vents got a nice little updated touch as well. All four of them, 1 2 3 4, there's 4 exactly in the back right here, also with these door silver plating right here. So I'll leave all the links in the description section of the video below. You guys can already see it. Now here's my honest review on this. Okay, pretty much everything gets a 10 out of 10 in my opinion, except the one problematic part, which was a little bit surprising for me because obviously I really wanted to work well, is yes, the big bad boy inner center right here. The centerpiece from far away looks absolutely beautiful guys. If you're driving, you know what I mean, you have this right there, just makes it elevates the look, it makes it look awesome. The one downside of it is that it's not a perfect fit on here. As you can see, there's a little gap right there, there's gaps right there. It's not perfect. However, does that mean I'm going to take this off? No, because it is actually stuck on here. It's just that obviously there's little gaps and stuff that, you know, make it inconsistent. So in my opinion, I still like this. I still am going to leave this on here because obviously it's not coming off and it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, that silver just elevates the look of the entire vehicle in terms of trim on the interior of the vehicle guys. Like there's so much stuff that I love. Like this right here, I absolutely love these guys. They had the silver trim right here and then they just had this black. They like kind of forgot to put a silver trim right there. It looks so much better like this. It looks complete. It matches really well. As you can see, the silver matches OEM silver from the kit. Looks beautiful guys. Everything just matches really well put together and not too flashy, just a little bit more classy. Even with the gap and inconsistency of the middle one right there, I have to give this entire kit like a solid 8.5 out of 10 guys. I'm loving the look of this. This is absolutely beautiful. So you guys already saw it. It's so easy and simple to install it guys. There's no screws required, nothing to pry apart or anything like that. Just stick straight up on top. If you don't like it, just take it off. A solid 8.5 out of 10. The links are going to be in the description section of the video below. Make sure you go check it out. In the next video, we're going to be looking at the exterior trim pieces from the same company. I'm excited about that one, so stay tuned for that. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Other than that guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.